Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is for everyone who thinks, I can't speak English. I'm afraid of making mistakes. People will laugh at me. If you feel this way, this video is for you. Please watch till the end. The real problem. Let me tell you the truth. English is not difficult. Fear is difficult. Fear of making mistakes, speaking in front of people, not being perfect. Do you think about grammar when you speak your mother tongue? No. Then why are you scared in English? Remember one thing. Mistakes are part of learning. People who speak fluent English today also started with A, B, C. No one is born speaking English. English is just a language, not a talent, not an exam. If you can, walk, use a smartphone, learn new apps, then you can learn English too. Just a little practice every day. Stop waiting for perfect grammar. Start speaking, even simple sentences. Learn daily use sentences. Listen to English videos and songs. Talk to yourself in English. Say sentences like, I am learning English. I will try again. I am not afraid. Broken English is okay. Silence is not. The person who speaks learns. The person who stays silent never grows. Yes, people may laugh, but they will forget in 2 days. Your confidence will stay forever. Every time you speak English, you become stronger and better. Speaking confidently in an interview, answering in school or college, talking freely in public places. English is not just a language. It is confidence, self-respect, a better future. You deserve that future. If you really want to learn English, make a promise today. I will not be afraid. I will practice every day. I will speak English. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment below. I can speak English. See you in the next video. Keep learning. Keep growing.